Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather and today we got the CMF Phone 1, CMF Watch Pro 2 and CMF Buds Pro 2 along with plenty of accessories. So in this video we will talk about the CMF Phone 1. We will perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, build quality and all of the usual unboxing stuff. I will cover the Watch Pro 2 and the Buds Pro 2 in separate videos, and I will also make a separate video for all of these different kinds of accessories for CMF Phone 1. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. Here we got an image of the camera module showing the camera lenses, flash and the screws around it, and it looks very much similar to the retail box of Nothing Phone 2A. On the side we got the Nothing branding. Here you can see that our device comes with 8GB RAM, 256GB storage and the color is black. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here we got the CMF Phone 1 in black color, a USB Type-C cable, a quick start guide. Here we got a tool to unscrew the back panel, and here is the SIM card tray ejector pin. CMF Phone 1 in black color. So first of all, let's switch on the device. After that we will go through the setup process and then we will have a detailed look on our CMF Phone 1. And here we go. So the setup is done and we are good to go with our CMF Phone 1. So first of all, let's start with design and build quality. So on the front side, we got a 6.67-inch display. We got a bit of bezels on the sides. The bottom bezel is slightly thicker compared to the side ones, and the top bezel is same like the side bezels in terms of thickness. In the top center of the device, you will find the punch hole with the front-facing camera. At the top, we got the secondary microphone. At the bottom, we got speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary microphone, and the SIM card tray slot. On the right side, we got the power button, and on the left, we got the volume keys. Both power button and the volume keys, they provide very nice tactile feeling while pressing them, so they are very clicky and it feels quite nice while pressing them. The back panel of CMF Phone 1 is very minimalistic. At the bottom we got this CMF by Nothing branding and regulatory information which are barely visible. At the bottom right corner we got the accessory point where you can connect card case, a stand and the lanyard. At the top we got the camera module along with flash and these screws. And these 4 screws that you can use to remove the back panel of your CMF Phone 1 and then connect different colors of back panel. The CMF phone comes in 4 color variants. We got black, light green, blue and orange. The black and light green come in the textured matte finished and it feels so good while holding the device or moving your finger on the body of CMF Phone 1. The orange and blue color variants come with the vegan leather finish. So depending on your preference, you can go with any of these or you can just buy different back panels. Remove the back panel of your device by removing these screws and connect a new one. So this is quite interesting. That does not matter what color of CMF Phone 1 you are going to buy. You can always change the back panel itself and connect many different kinds of accessories to have a nice user experience. We got an in-display fingerprint sensor and the memory card slot supports up to 2TB of memory card. CMF or Nothing does not provide any official information that what kind of glass is being used on the display of CMF Phone 1, but it comes with a screen protector pre-applied on it. It also comes with IP52 dust and a splash resistance. That's pretty basic, but still something is better than nothing, or in our case CMF by Nothing. The thickness of standard version is 8 mm and it weighs 197 grams while the vegan leather version is 9 mm thick and it weighs 202 grams. So even though it is not the lightest or thinnest smartphone, it feels pretty good while holding the device in hand and you will be able to use it with one hand without facing any issue. Now talking about the display, we got a 6.67-inch Super AMOLED display with 1080 x 2400 pixels resolution, and with this screen to body ratio, the PPI you will get is 395. We got 8-bit color reproduction, so you will get 16.7 million colors, and it comes with support for HDR10+. So with 395 ppi, the display of CMF Phone 1 is pretty sharp, and even if I bring the display so close to the camera, you won't see any pixelation. It comes with 120Hz refresh rate display, and you can select between the high or standard, and the CMF Phone 1 is also SGS Seamless Pro Motion certified. So you will have a very smooth experience on the display of CMF Phone 1. The average peak brightness is up to 700 nits, and the maximum peak brightness can go as high as 2000 nits. So you won't feel any issue while using the device in bright sunny outdoors, as you can see here, and the lowest brightness is also quite low. So you will be able to use the device in bright sunny outdoors as well as low light situation without facing any issue or putting a strain to your eyes. Talking about the hardware specs, the CMF Phone 1 comes with MediaTek Dimensity 7300 5G processor that is built on 4nm architecture, 5000 mAh battery with 33W fast charging and 5W reverse wired charging. It comes with 256GB storage, out of which 7% is already used once you start using the device, and you will get 239GB free space on your device. And if it is not sufficient for you, you can use a memory card to increase the storage up to 2TB on your CMF Phone 1. It comes with 8GB RAM, and you can increase it 8GB further to get virtually 16GB RAM on your CMF Phone 1. Talking about the software, the CMF Phone 1 comes with Android 14 with Nothing OS 2.6 on top of it. And as we have seen, the Nothing OS is pretty solid when it comes to customization and appearance. You can perform many different kinds of activities to improve your productivity on this device. It also comes with the game mode. We will see how good the performance of the hardware specs and the game mode is going to be on our CMF Phone 1 in our upcoming benchmarking test result video and the gaming test review of the device. So if you're interested in watching them, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. Gestures control and plenty of customization that you can do on the lock screen as well as on the home screen of CMF Phone 1. The Nothing OS 2.6 is quite customizable and provides a unique visual experience compared to other devices currently available in the market. Now talking about the camera, we got a 16 megapixel front-facing camera that can record 1080p resolution videos up to 60 fps, while we got 50 megapixel primary camera that can record 4K resolution videos at 30 fps and Full HD videos up to 60 fps. We got a dedicated portrait sensor along with the flashlight, so there is no dedicated telephoto lens or wide angle lens provided on CMF Phone 1. And if you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that it comes with photo mode along with HDR, some filters. In the video mode, you can see that we can record 4K resolution videos up to 30 fps. It comes with Full HD resolution video recording in HDR mode. In action mode as well, we got Full HD slow motion video recording at 120 fps. It comes with portrait mode, that is the combination of beautification and the bokeh effect. And if you go to more, here you can see that we got time-lapse, panorama and expert mode on CMF Phone 1. It also comes with Ultra XDR that provides nice images in different lighting conditions. So in terms of camera features and options, as well as the hardware, the CMF Phone 1 is looking good enough, if not that great. The thing which I am especially missing here is the dedicated telephoto lens and the wide angle lens. Instead of them, CMF is concentrating more on the portrait photography. So we will see how good the performance of the camera is going to be in our future videos. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. So at the first glance, the CMF Phone 1 is looking a pretty solid entry in its price segment. It comes with a very unique personality like the rest of the Nothing smartphones, as it comes with interchangeable back panel as well as the option to connect plenty of accessories to it. The display is really nice and one of the brightest in this price segment. The Nothing OS is a fun and unique experience that you will get on this device, and the camera setup is looking good enough as well. Few things we are missing here is the lack of Gorilla Glass protection and no wide angle lens or telephoto lens on the rear camera setup. But this is just a first impression video. Many more videos of CMF Phone 1 will be uploaded very soon on this channel, so do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when those videos are live. And if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.